Okay, so hello everyone. I am here with one more example of string. So let's say, for example, you have one string like, for example, s equal to, okay. Then in double quotation we can have a message as well as numbers, or you can say that special characters also. For example, hello, 1 4, then dollar, 2, then hashtag, then 3, then ampersand, then 4 5 6, probably something like this. Okay, so we are interested in only digits, like wherever in this string digits are there. So here you can see 1 4 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and then 6, and we are interested in addition of only those numbers. That's it from the string. So what we will do, we will have one more string, like s2 equal to something, and we will convert this above list, that above string into the list. So I am writing list and I am writing s, so it will convert it into list. So now obviously we are interested in total, then total equal to 0. Okay, initially, because we are interested in sum of all these numbers and everything. Then we will use for loop for this, because we have to check each and every index, like each and every letters or numbers, whatever. So for I in, okay, and then we will start checking from s2. So again we have to use colon over here. If I dot, and we are checking for s digit. Okay, if it is equal to true, then total will be equal to total plus, as you can see, that whatever we have stored in as original string, it is in the form of string. Actually we want in integer, so we will write, use explicit like conversion. We will write integer of I like this, so that we get the numbers. And obviously then we will come out of this for loop and everything, and we will write one print statement that the sum of digits given in the string. Okay, so we will write sum of digits given in the strings is, and then double quotation close, and then comma, and we have stored our answer in variable total. So before we check the output, 1 plus 4, that is 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 and 3 10, and 14, 14 plus 5, that is 19, and 19 and 6 25. So we'll just save this program and we will run. So we are getting output as 25, you can see. So it will just give you sum of digits given in the string. Thank you everyone.